Hi, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim. Today's workout is a 15-minute walking workout. Before we start, please check around you. There's nothing you're going to hurt your feet on or trip over or bash into. You only need the space of your fitness mat. Anytime it seems too much for you, please make the steps smaller. Leave out any arm movement. Take it to 2 steps. Don't worry too much if you're not on the same beat as me. Really doesn't matter. What matters is that you're moving. Well done. Let's add some arms. Right arm goes out to the side, left arm. So trying to keep that at shoulder height if you can. If it's too much, by all means, make it smaller. I will give some slightly more advanced options for people that have been with me for a while or that are a bit more experienced but just want routines at this level. Back to singles. Swing the arms to little bicep curls. So taking the arms to the side, taking them side to side. Well done. Bring it forward for 4, 3, 2, and back for 4, 3, 2. Well done. Back to double steps, so those double arms even. Side arms. Back to singles with a bicep curl. Now if you've got room, bring it forward to me for 4, 3, or 2. If you can only make 2, that's fine. If you've got lots of space, you can make it nice and big. If I do that, I come off camera. So keep it at your level. You might only want to do 2 bigger ones, 2 forward, 2 back. Take it to side steps, 2. Arm out, well done. If that's getting too much for you, leave that out. Don't overdo it. Remember, we're trying to get through to the end of the 15-minute workout, so you've got to pace yourself. If you're already breathless, it's too much for you. Well done. Let's start with a little side step to the side, little side arms. So this routine has the grapevine in it. If it totally confuses you, don't worry. Just go with a double step, watch what we're doing, and then when you join me in another video, you can have another go at doing the grapevine. Lifting the arms out to the side, just relax shoulders. Let's take it to 2 steps with a push with the arm. And the other side, well done. Going to change the arms to a swim with the arms. So swim and pull, step together, step and touch, step together, step and tap, step together, step and tap. For the grapevine, we cross behind in the middle. So if you know how to do it, keep going. I'm going to turn around in a moment and show those of you that don't know. If you can't do it, please stick with the double step, just add the arms. So it's step, cross behind, step and tap, step, cross behind, step and tap, step, cross behind. If you tap in front, cross in front, your balance goes, so it's much better to stand back. So we're going to add a little more definite tap on the end. Or Knee lift if you want to. Again, your choice. Do what feels right with the arms. If you don't like my arms, I'm stuck with them, I have no choice. Let's go back to the double side steps. Maybe keep it a bit smaller if you need to. Catch your breath. If you don't need to catch your breath, keep it bigger. Maybe a little hop in the middle. If you want to just add a little bit of impact, but you can keep it low. It is to catch your breath, so it might be tiny. Or it might be big. You fell off the end of the mat then. Let's go back to the grapevine. And tap. I'm going to keep the leg low this time, and I'm going to change the arms. Arm, up, down. So that's quite difficult. Side, up, side, down. So you might want to just go with a double step. Keep it small, work on the arms. But if you can do the grapevine as well, you're going to challenge your brain and your body. Depends how good you are at the grapevine. If that really is too much, you could maybe just try the arms with the feet, or just join me this way anyway. Quite hard on the arms. Shake them out. Just doing a jogger's walk with me. Move across to the left side of your mat. We're going to go back to that double step or grapevine. Cross, step. Nice and slow, catch your breath. Taking your arms above your head really works the heart quite hard, particularly if you're unfit. Go up to speed. If you want. If you'd rather stay half time or do double steps, that's your choice. Well done. You're doing great. You really are. If you're still here with me, pace yourself. Get to the end of the workout. I'm quite warm already, and it's a cold day here in England. Let's take it to heel lifts. Let's try side and in front, out, up, out, and in front. Couple more, make it go through the gap. Well done. Let's take it to a side step. I want you to move slowly over towards the left of your mat. So just make those steps a little bit big one side, smaller the other. 2 steps. Well done. So make that as small or as big as you need. So I'm medium sort of size, but if you want to really make it big, you can add a little bit of a hop in the middle. If you want to make it smaller, keep it here. Hold it here. Let's tap the feet out to the side. Touching the toe out, just standing on one leg. 4, 3, 2, and change. Move across a little bit. So bending the supporting leg if you want to, but you can just keep it small. And change for 4, 3, 2, and change. 4, 3, 2, and change. 2s. Last time, we're going to go back to that double side step. Touch out for 2. Take it back. Well done. So putting the 2 moves together. Well done. So you want to work the back of the arms, lift the elbows up. If you don't, just let them swing and relax. So you can just let them swing across and stay here. Keep it smaller if you need to. And a little hop if you want to make it a bit harder. Really up to you. I like to keep it low impact. Last one. Side to side. I'm going to change the arms here. Forward, back. So I'm going forward, touch the shoulders. Reaching right forward, touching the shoulders. If you need to make that smaller, that's fine. If you want to add a hop, you can. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 steps. Touch out. Back. 2 steps. 2 touches. Whoa. 2 steps. 2 touch outs. Hold it here, touching out side to side. Touching forward, back. Forward, back. Well done. Last. Let the arms down if you need to. Last couple. And double side step. If you need to make it small enough, you're feeling a bit out of breath, that's fine. But if you don't need to, really put something into it now. Well done. Singles. So bringing the feet in together. Ankles should be comfortable, so if your ankles are beginning to hurt, really do make it smaller. Your ankles will get stronger the more you do this. And always, always, you can wear trainers if you prefer. Double step. And back. We're going to start to bring our heart rate down now. So just slowly lifting the heels, coming up onto the ball of the foot, nice and slow and controlled. Pulling the belly in. Really pushing the heel into the ground, lifting the other foot up. Well done. Let's take a swing across the body. So a little bit of balance here. If that doesn't work for you, touch your toe to the floor. Well done. But if you can, do it on one leg. Keep the knees soft. Let the shoulders relax. Arms swing gently. Heels up. Jogger's walk. Nice and slow though. Try and keep the hips as level as you can. We're not sticking the hips out to the side, we're keeping them level. Pulling in your belly, keep breathing. Have a quick look down at your feet. Are your feet directly under your hips, or have you taken them a bit wider? Are your feet turning out? Doing this move slowly, you're really going to feel it. Have a quick look at your knees. Are they coming straight forward, or are they coming across the body or sticking outward? Let's take that kick or tap across. Swing the arms however is comfortable for you. I find swinging them across the body like this really helps my balance. But if you'd rather keep them on your waist or let them just swing naturally, that's fine too. Back to those heel raises. Really massaging the feet into the mat. Very soft, slow, gentle bicep curl if you wish. Lifting, alternating heels, just alternating. Ready for that swing and balance or tap. Remember, we're cooling the body down now, but we want to keep moving, getting our heart rate back to normal if you need to. Tap. Well done. Thank you so much for joining me in today's workout. I hope you had fun. See you again in the next workout. Bye for now.